Google just dropped something wild, and it's called Nano Banana. This quirky codename hides a serious upgrade in AI image editing. From keeping characters perfectly consistent to merging images seamlessly with just a prompt, Nano Banana makes edits effortless. Blur, colorize, remix, remove. Create like never before. All that power without peeling your wallet. It's not free, but we'll show you how you can use it for free. So go bananas with your creativity. Nano Banana is here. Let's get started.
Welcome back to Manu AGI Tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video.
Let's introducing to Ella Marina. Open incognito mode. First, open Google Chrome. Now, look at the top right corner of your browser. You'll see 3 dots next to the search bar. Click on them, and from the drop-down menu, select New Incognito window. Search for Ella Marina AI. In the New Incognito window, go to the search bar and type Ella Marina AI. Press Enter, and the very first result should be the official Ella Marina website. If you prefer, I'll also leave the direct link in the description below for quick access. Explore the Ella Marina interface. Once the page loads, you'll see the main interface of Ella Marina AI. At the center, there's a description box. Inside this box, you'll notice options such as Upload Image, Web Search, Generate Image, bottom left of the box, and on the right side, a Share option to publish your prompts for research purposes. Finally, at the bottom of the box, there's an Enter button to submit your prompts. Open the dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you'll find a dashboard slider. Click on it to expand the dashboard. Here, you'll see New Chat option, Leaderboard section. When you open the leaderboard, you'll find different categories such as Overview, Text, Web Dev, Vision, Text to Image, Image Edit, Search, Text to Video, Image to Video, Copilot. Explore leaderboards and interact with different AI tools. Generate your first image for free. Now, let's see how to generate an image for free. Generate your first image for free. You want to go right up to the top here and select Direct Chat, then scroll down to the bottom and select Generate Images. It automatically sets itself to Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Preview, also known as Nano Banana. This has been confirmed in the official Ella Marina Discord, and just like that, you now have free access to Nano Banana. No subscription, no third-party websites, nothing complicated. Boom, you're in. I've tested this. I've been on Nano Banana for hours today, generating countless images, and never once hit a hard stop, all for free. Let me show you the power of this tool and the creative opportunities it unlocks. For starters, let's try something simple, changing the background of our gaming girl image. To do that, just agree to the terms and the process will begin. Sometimes the tool might bug out. If it stops working after 3 or 4 seconds, that usually means Google didn't like part of the prompt. No worries, just reword it a bit, tweak the formatting, and try again. After a couple of attempts, it usually works fine. In my case, the prompt was clean, so everything went through smoothly. Once the edit finishes, you can download it by clicking the save icon. What's really impressive is the consistency. Even with major changes like completely different lighting, the tool keeps the character's expression, clothing, and overall style intact. And this is just the beginning. Instead of stopping at single edits, we can use Nano Banana to actually build entire scenes. That's where the creative possibilities really open up. Here's how I approach AI filmmaking. Every great AI video starts with one strong generated image. The real magic is using that first frame to flesh out a storyboard. Nano Banana allows you to generate new shots, different camera angles, different actions, while still maintaining style, lighting, environment, and character consistency. You can go shot by shot, building out your scene, and then take those frames into an AI video generator to animate them. For example, let's try typing over-the-shoulder shot. Stick around until the end, because I'll also show you how to animate your AI images completely free. We start with a shot from behind the man. You can see how we're beginning to flesh out what feels like a short film. If you were trying to do this with image, you'd probably struggle with character consistency. But look at this result. It's insane. It feels like part of the same scene, the same world. Everything is consistent. And that's important, because when things feel inconsistent, it breaks immersion. Using Nano Banana this way solves that problem. So let's say we start with our opening shot and then cut to this new angle. Now I'll drop the starting image back in and try tight close-up of the man's glasses, the gaming girl of front angle glowing in the reflection. This one struggled a little. It's honestly the first semi-bad result. So just click on regenerate button, Nano Banana, then generate awesome result. Now let's experiment further. I'll drop in the starting frame again and try. A floating island in the sky made of giant cartoon fruits, banana trees, watermelon hills, and a pineapple house. Cute animated fruit characters roam the island with cheerful expressions. The background is a soft blue sky with puffy clouds and birds shaped like cherries. Style Pixar-inspired, colorful, dreamy. Me quite nailed the top-down angle, but it gave me a fantastic variation of the original shot. A happy accident, really. You could definitely still use it. Now let's switch things up. I'll drop in another starting change outfit this time. It's got a cool streetwear vibe. The prompt: change the girl's outfit to a stylish black dress with sleek details that match her anime gaming aesthetic. Keep the overall anime style consistent with clean lines and vibrant shading. The dress should fit naturally with her pose and blend seamlessly with the existing lighting, especially the glow from RGB lights or neon effects in the gaming setup. Preserve all other elements of the image: her hairstyle, facial features, accessories, and gaming background. Now you can see the outfit is changed or seem completely different. Ladies and gentlemen, that wraps up our journey through the quantum peel of tomorrow, powered by Google's newest marvel, the Nano Banana model. A system so small, yet so infinite, it redefines the meaning of free and unlimited. Imagine algorithms peeling back layers of possibility faster than light, kernels of insight ripening before your very eyes, all served fresh with zero latency. The Nano Banana isn't just a model, it's a fruit of the future, sweet, efficient, and endlessly scalable. No paywalls, no limits, just an orchard of infinite knowledge waiting for you to pick. So as we close this session, remember, every big idea starts small, every innovation starts strange, and sometimes the greatest revolutions begin with just one banana. Stay curious, stay limitless, and I'll see you in the next peel of reality. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment, share this with your friends, and as always, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.